Hello, hello. My problem with my system is that suddenly the sound is gone. The sound is right now very low from the speakers, and there is no sound coming from the phone jack. I have never used the headphone jack. I'm so sorry, headphone jack before, but when I was playing the game, when I was playing a game, this sound is gone, and I tried headphone jack, and there is no sound in the headphone jack either. Let me demonstrate. Right now, in the right and left hand side, you can see it. It is in the maximum. Let me lower it, lower the volume, and now I'll increase the volume to the maximum. It is on the maximum. It is not okay. Right now, I'm going to open the system. Okay, let's try again. Maybe you can hear there's a very low sound right now, but it was not like this before. Uh, the sound was very loud. The speakers are working really well, but suddenly this happened, as you can see. And as I told you before, from the headphone jack, there is no sound coming either. I tried headphones, nothing is happening. I don't know if it is a software issue or it's a hardware issue. If you could direct me how to solve this issue, I would be very happy. Thank you very much.